Hey guys, my name is Sergio. I'm a PA and one of the founders of My PA Box, and I have my partner Jacob here.
Today we're going to be speaking particularly about guidance counselors and if they're a good resource for applying to PA school.
Point number one is guidance counselors will not know the requirements that you need for PA schools. Jacob, why do you think this is point number one? Why do you think they're not going to know that?
So generally speaking, I don't think guidance counselors are the best resource when it comes down to researching PA schools because of the vast number of PA schools that exist. So there's 315 PA schools, and the guidance counselor, any of them, are not going to sit there and go over every single PA school and give you guys an Excel sheet saying, hey, I know everything about the schools. This is the requirements. This is what you need. They're not your personal coach. They are great at helping you answer particular questions that you may be unsure of after you've done your research. So point number one is guidance counselors are not good when it comes down to getting your prerequisites and understanding them. So point number two.
Your CASPA GPA, right? So basically guidance counselors are not going to calculate your CASPA GPA for you. So CASPA uses its own formula to recalculate your GPA, which is going to be different from your college transcript GPA. You have to calculate that information beforehand and make sure you're doing that and you know how CASPA is going to calculate your GPA. A lot of the time students get rejected from PA programs because they think that they have a 3.5, which is on their college transcript, but in actuality, CASPA calculates their GPA a lot lower. The formula is very easy. Google, type in CASPA GPA calculation, and the formula will come up. They have Excel sheets that you can input your courses that you've taken. You can input your credits and your letter grades, and it will convert that to CASPA GPA. Or you can go to mypabox.com, go to your dashboard in your grade section, and we will automatically do that for you. But again, your guidance counselor is not going to do that for you.
So point number three that guidance counselors are not a great resource for are patient care experiences. So schools may differ from one to the next by the amount of patient care experience needed per school. So if you're applying to 10 schools, the first school may require 10, the next school may require 100, the next school may recommend 1,000, the next school may require 2,000 hours. So you guys have to do the research. The guidance counselor is not going to be able to sit and sort through all of this information on your behalf because obviously you guys got to understand that they have hundreds of applicants coming into them for healthcare related questions, and they're not going to know the detail about PA schools to that extent. So you must do this information yourself. Point number four.
So point number four is the letter recommendations you should get. A lot of the times we get DM'd as far as, hey, who should I get a letter recommendation from? Every PA program has a different requirement. Some programs require you to get a letter recommendation from an employer, a university professor, and any medical professional. Another program might tell you to get letter recommendations from a university professor, or particularly your science professor, an MD, and a PA. Now, if you're applying to 10 different programs, all those 10 programs can have different requirements for letter recommendations. Your guidance counselor is not going to go and do that research for you and tell you which letters you need. You have to do that research on your own. So the fifth and final point is that guidance counselors do not know the best program that's the right program for you. So what does that mean? Basically, you're a more visual learner. You might want a cadaver lab, or you might like on-campus housing because you like that college environment. These are the factors that your guidance counselor is not going to go and do the research for out of all the PA programs that you're interested in applying to and tell you this program is the right one for you. I recommend visiting mypabox.com. We have all this information laid out to you in a very nice and easy format. Sort out what the right program is for you and make your decision and present that to your guidance counselor and see if your guidance counselor can guide you and help you in navigating what are the right courses, or if they have any other resources that are available on the campus to help you better prepare to become a better applicant and get accepted in your first application cycle.
If you're a guidance counselor and would like to learn more about the PA school application cycle and just familiarize yourself more with detailed information about PA schools, please visit mypabox.com and reach out to me at jacob@mypabox.com so I can help you with familiarizing yourself with this application and the prerequisites and everything you need to know about the application cycle to PA school.
Yeah, because the bottom line is, guys, we want to help you, whether you're a guidance counselor or you're a pre-PA student, we want to help you get accepted in your first application cycle. That is our goal here at MyPAbox.
So if you're pre-PA students that had a wonderful experience with a particular guidance counselor, let us know how that experience went. If you didn't have such a great experience with guidance counselors, comment below and let us know why as well. Obviously, let your guidance counselors know about MyPAbox as a resource. We would love to work with guidance counselors and help them and educate them in their knowledge of the application cycle to PA schools and everything that entails. Please leave any comments for future content that you guys would like us to create, to talk about, and stay tuned to more videos like this. Again, I'm Jacob, and that's Sarjil. We'll see you guys, and best of luck.